Okay. Yes. So hello all, welcome to today's session, right? Yes. So today is going to be the third session of your quantitative aptitude for the exams HAL, HPCL, and RVUNL. Okay. So let's begin with our class without any further delay, right? So let's have a small promotion of the products of Unacademy now, right? So you guys might be knowing about this, the Master Blaster practice series, right, which is around 10,000 practice questions for GATE will be curated in these courses, right? You have top educators of Unacademy taking classes in this, right? Use my code SAYT to enroll into any class for free of cost. To enroll into any class for free of cost. Then you guys also have the GATE and ESE Utkrist series, right? This is live in the Unacademy channel, YouTube channel, Unacademy account, which is also free of cost, right? YouTube sessions on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There will be a knowledge fight on Monday, and tests will be there every Tuesday. Right, and finally, the largest scholarship combat, the Unacademy combat, starting on the 30th of May, starts at 11 a.m. in the morning. Use my code SAYT. Use my code SAYT to unlock the free plan. And finally, the new batches. These are the new batches added up for you people. You also have this plus scholarship, right? The plus membership or the plus subscription. The plus subscription gives you access to live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, note solving sessions, English and Hindi, and also RIBs. You can also go for the iconic plan where you guys will be getting personal coach, study planner, doubt clearing instructors, as well as preparatory study material. If you buy the iconic plan, all the benefits of the plus will be added up for you people. So this is about the GATE and ESE Plus subscription. These are the rates of it. If you guys use my code SAYT, you will enroll, right? You will get this in 10% off. The similar happens to the iconic subscription also. Use my code SAYT. You guys will be getting 10% off here. You guys will be getting 10% off here. Okay, yes. So let's move on to the questions, right? Let's move on to the class for today, right? So these are my special class schedule, right? I'm explaining it again, right? So it's not 9 to 10, right? Every day from 8 to 8:30 and 9 to 9:30 you guys will be having two classes, right? 8 to 8:30 and 9 to 9:30 there will be two classes of half an hour each, right? So please do attend those sessions where I'll be taking placement aptitude questions. One day I'm doing verbal and one day I'm doing quants. Current affairs every Saturday 10 to 12 p.m. Static GK every Saturday 5:15 to 7:15 p.m. and also GATE PYQs every Sunday. GATE PYQs every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. GATE PYQs every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Okay, yes. So let us go on to the first question. 45 men working 8 hours per day dig 30 meters deep. How many extra men should be put to dig to a depth of 50 meters working 6 hours per day, right? Yes. 45 men are working 8 hours per day. They are digging 30 meters deep. How many extra men should I need so that a depth of 50 meters can be dug working 6 hours per day, right? Working 6 hours per day, right? So what is the answer for this question? Right? Yes. So whenever you guys get such questions where M, right, the men is given, the hours is given, the D is given. Okay, how many extra men? So here also the work should be done, right? The work to be done is given and the hours is given, right? So whenever such questions are given, you guys should always remember the MDH formula. What is the MDH formula? It is M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Okay, yes. So what is M1 here, people? What is going to be M1? M1 is 45, right? Yes. What is the hours? Hours and days they will be given. If they are given it as 2 days and 8 hours, or it is just given as hours, right? So this is H, 8 divided by W. What is the work to be done? The work to be done is 30 meters. Okay. Extra men I need. So let us take it as X into, right? So 6 hours a day they are working. That is H. And my this is 50. Yes or no? It is going to be 50. So here only I can find it out, right? 5 6 are 5 9s are. Yes or no? 5 6 are 5 9s are. That is going to be the right answer. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. Right, 2 3s are 2 4s are 9 4s are 36. 36 bar 3, right? What is 36 bar 3, people? 36 bar 3 is 12. Yes or no? 9 fours are 36. 36 bar 3 is 12. 12 is equal to 6x bar 50. Right? 12 is equal to 6x bar 50. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Right? So x is going to be how much? 50 into 2. Right? X is going to be 50 into 2, 100. Right? The value of x is going to be 50 into 2, 100. Okay, so extra men, so the x is going to be 100 here. So how much extra men am I putting? I already have 45, so this is going to be 100 minus 45. What is 100 minus 45, people? 100 minus 45 is 55. Option D is the right answer. Okay, option D is the right answer. Extra men they are asking, so I already have 45 men, right? I am putting 55 men extra. Okay, let's see the next question. Amit sells a bike to Ramesh at a profit of 20%. Ramesh sells it to Nitin at a profit of 25%. If Nitin pays 2,250 for it, the cost price of the bike for Ramesh is dash. The cost price of the bike for Ramesh is dash. Right? So yes, so what they have given here, 20% is given. What is 20%, people? 1 bar 5. What is 25 percentage, people? What is 25 percentage, people? It is going to be 1 bar 4. Right? 25 percentage is going to be 1 bar 4. Now wait a minute. Okay, Nitin at a profit of 25 percentage. So Nitin is paying this, right? So this is going to be the selling price. Yes or no? Nitin is paying, matlab. So Ramesh is selling it to Nitin. Ramesh is selling it to Nitin. So this is the selling price. Okay. So at first we have to take down the 25 percentage because this is where the selling price will come, right? 1 by 4. So it is profit. So what are my ratio? What are my ratio going to be, people? CP and SP. So this is 4 and this is 5. And I have the value of 5R. The value of 5R is going to be 2,250. Yes or no? The value of 5R is going to be 2,250. Selling price. So 1R ka value kitna hoga, baba? What is going to be the value of 1R? 250, right? 225. 20s are 20s are 25s are. Okay. Yes. 1R is 25. So what will be my cost price? What will be my cost price? It is 4 into 25. What is my cost price? So this is going to be 4 into 25, right? Hey, kya gala? Oh, sorry. 4, 5 20s are 45. Sorry there. Okay, yes. 5 20s are 100, 5 40s are, right? This is 45. And I have 0 also, 450. So this goes to be, right? This goes to be 4 into 450. This goes to be 4 into 450. What is 4 into 450, people? 4 4s are 1600, 450s are 200, right? This is 1800, right? This is 1800. This 1800 is what? This 1800 is the selling price of Ramesh. Yes or no? This 1800 is the selling price of Ramesh because Ramesh, Amit sold it to bike, right? So मुझे CP चाहिए. And what was the profit percentage here? It was 20%, right? So what is 20%, people? It is 1 bar 5. So I'll write it as 5 here. I'll write it as 6 here. So 6R is equal to 1800. Yes or no? 6R is equal to 1800. What will be the value of 1R? 6 3s are, right? 1R is going to be 300. 1R is going to be 300. So here I have to find out the CP, right? So this is 5R. So this goes to be 5 into 300. What is 5 3s are, people? 5 3s are 15, right? So what is the cost price of this bike? What is the cost price of this bike? The cost price of this bike is option D, 1500. The cost price of this bike is going to be 1500. Okay, the cost price of this bike is going to be 1500. We can also adapt the successive approach here. Because it's the same commodity which is sold, right? 25% is given, right? 25% and 20%, right? 20%, 25%. So 20% is the first one, no? Right? What is 20%? It is going to be 5 and 6. 25% is 4 and 5. Okay, yes. So this is going to be how much? 5 4s are 20. 5 6 are 30. Yes or no? Right? 5 4s are 20 and 5 6 are 30. Or else this can also be, right? 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30. And what they have given me, they have given me the selling price, right? They have given me the value of 30R. They have given me the value of 30R. That is at the end. At the end selling price they have given, right? The value of 30R. So 30R is going to be how much? 30R is 2250. Right? What is the value of 1R then? The value of 1R is going to be 750. Right? The value of 1R is going to be 75. Right? The value of 1R is going to be 75. Yes, the value of 1R will be 75. I have to find out which R. I have to find out the value of 20R. So it is 20 into 75. Right? So it is nothing but 75 twos are 150, add 1 0, 1500, right? So you can do by both the approaches. This is the first approach and this is the second approach. Both the approaches will lead you the right answer, will give you the right answer, option D. Let's move on to the next question. How many triangles are there in the given diagram, right? You guys have to tell me how many triangles are there in this given diagram. Okay, I brought up a reasoning question in between. Okay, I'm sorry for it. I brought up a reasoning question in between. Okay, so let us count the number of triangles here as the reasoning question has cropped up. Okay, so this is going to be how much, right? How many triangles I have, so let me take a different color. Right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 triangles are there, so this is going to be the ninth one, right? This is going to be the 10th one. Okay, this is going to be the 11th one, right? This is going to be the 12th one, right? This is going to be the 13th one, right? 13 triangles are done. Yes, 13 triangles are done. Now next thing, right? 13 are done. Now next thing you guys know here, so this is the 14th one. Let me take a darker color, right? Yes, so this is the 14th one, right? And then you have the 15th one. Again the same thing, 16th one and 17th one, right? There are a total of 17 triangles. There are a total of 17 triangles. Okay, yes. So I have mixed up some questions on reasoning here, so let's not solve it. Okay, okay, let's not solve it. Yes, yes. What is the mean of the mode and median of the data given below? What is the mean of the mode and median of the data given below? What is the mean of the mode and median of the data given below? Right? Yes. What is going to be the answer here, people? Just a minute, guys. I have misplaced this PDF, so let me get that PDF. Okay, let me get the PDF because these questions have been mixed up here. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so please do solve this question. I will get that PDF. No issues. Okay, yes, I'll be getting that PDF in a moment. Okay, so we will just solve this question off, right? We'll just solve this question off as we have as we have brought up this question, right? What is the mean of the mode and the median of the data given below, right? So first, let us write this down in the order, right? In the proper order. Okay, so let us write this down in the proper order. So what is the proper order? How many ones I am having? 1 comma 1, right? 2 is there, right? I have 3 comma 3. I have 4 comma 4. I have 5 comma 5 comma 5. I have 6 comma 6 comma 6. There are 6 sixes, sorry, 3 sixes. 2 sevens are there. 2 eights are there. 2 nines are there. Okay, yes. So what is going to be the mean? Mean matlab, what is the mean? Mean is always the average, right? Mean is always going to be the average. So let us find out what is the mean of the mode and the median, right? What is the mean of the mode and the median? What is mode here? What is mode here? The number which appears a lot. The number which appears a lot is called as mode, right? The number which appears a lot is called as mode. Wait a minute. 5 kitne baar hai? Right? 5 1, 5 2. How many times have I? Sorry, 5 is only 3 times. Sorry, 5 is only 2 times. Sorry, there. 5 is only 2 times. Okay, 5 is only 2 times there. So 6 is appearing thrice. Okay, 6 is appearing thrice. So my mode will be what? My mode will be 6. My mode is going to be 6 because it is a thing which is appearing lot, right? What is median? Median is the middle value, right? So how many values are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 means it is between the 9, right? 18 means, so till these, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So it comes in between here, right? It comes in between here, that is 5 plus 6 bar 2. right? It is 11 bar to 5.5. Yes or no? My median is going to be what, people? What is going to be my median? My median is going to be 5.5, right? They are asking the mean of this. They are asking the mean of this data. Mean of this data will be 6 plus 5.5 bar 2, right? Mean is the average. Mean is the average. So this is going to be how much? 6 plus 5.5. So this is 11.5 bar 2, right? So this is 5.5 plus 2.5, right? 5.5 plus 25, right? 0.25. 5.75 will be the answer. Option D. Okay. Guys, just wait a minute. I'll come in a moment. Okay. Right. I'll come in a moment. I'll just get the PDF. Right. Yes. Yes, guys, we are back again. I'm sorry, I did not have the PDF. I had brought a reasoning PDF to the class, so it took me time to search the PDF. I can't do it live, right? Yes. So we're back again with the class. We will start some questions on quants now. Okay. Yes. A man is spending 1 by 5 of his salary on food, 1 by 10 of his salary on house rent, and 3 by 5 of his salary on clothes. He still has $18,000 left with him. What is the salary of this person? What is going to be the salary of this person? Okay. Yes, let us do this. What is 1 by 5 people? 1 by 5 is 20 percentage. What is 1 by 10 people? 1 by 10 is 10 percentage. What is 3 by 5 people? 3 by 5 is 60 percentage. Okay, yes. So how much is he spending totally? 90 percentage he is spending, right? 90 percentage he is spending. So 100 minus 90 is going to be 100 minus 90 is 10 percentage, and this 10 percentage is the remaining value. This 10 percentage is the remaining value, which is 18,000 rupees, right? So what is going to be 100% value, right? His salary will be 100%, right? So one more zero, right? It will be 1,80,000, right? This will be 1,80,000, option A. This will be 1,80,000, option A. The next question. Mr. X spends 20 percentage of his monthly family on monthly income on household expenditure. Out of the remaining, he spends 25 percentage on children's education, 15 percentage on transport, 15 percentage on medicine, and 10 percentage on entertainment. He is left with rupees 9,800. He is left with rupees 9,800 after incurring all these expenditures, right? After incurring all these expenditures. So what is his monthly income, right? What is going to be his monthly income? 20 percentage is spending, yes or no? So there are two methods of solving this question. I'll show both the methods. 20 percentage he is spending, right? Out of what? 100 में से 20, right? 80 percentage, right? Yes. Of the remaining, right? 80%, in 80%, 25 percentage is spending, right? In 80%, 25 percentage of it. In 80%, 25 percentage of it is spending, right? So this becomes what? This becomes what? 8 twos are, right? Yes, 80 का 25 percentage कितना होता है बाबा? 80 का 25 percentage, right? He spent 25 percentage on children education, 15 percentage on transport, 15 percentage on medicine, and 10 percentage on entertainment. What is this totally? 25. So 55, 65. 65 is the right answer. So 80% में से 60% निकालना है, right? 80% में से 65. Understand this. This is not 100 में से 65. This is not 100 में से 65. This is 65 out of 80. Okay, right? So what is 8 6 people? 8 6 48, right? And what is the 5 percentage? What is the 5 percentage of 8? It is 4, right? So totally 52 percentage is spent here, right? Totally 52 percentage is spent. Yes or no? Now he is left with it, right? If he spends 52 percentage, 20 percentage is already spent here, 52 percentage is already spent here, right? What is the remaining percentage? What is the remaining percentage? 100 minus 72. So he's left with a 28 percentage. Yes or no, people? He's left with a 28 percentage. So 28 percentage is equal to 9,800. Got it? 28 percentage is equal to 9,800. So what will be the value of 1 hour here? And what will be the value of 1 hour? The value of 1 hour is going to be 350. Yes or no? 28 percentage is equal to, right? 28 hours is equal to 9,800. So 1 hour is equal to 350. What are they asking? His monthly income. His monthly income is 100, right? So what will 100 hour become? What will 100 hour become, people? It is 350 into 100. Yes or no? 20 dash, right? So it is 35,000. Right, it is 350 into 100, which is option A, 35,000, right? Which is option A, 35,000. We can still go forward. There is one more method here, right? Let me discuss with you the another method, right? Let me discuss with you the another method. It takes time to rub this, okay? This will fatak se rub this. Okay, yes, this much space is enough for me. Chalo, yes. So here, first thing they have told is 20%, right? What is 20%? We'll write it as 1 bar 5, right? 5 is his total income and 1 is his spending, right? Always write this as what? Income is to savings, right? Always write this as what? Income is to savings, okay? Right? Because savings is given, he's left with this, okay? So income is 5, how much is he saving? 4. Then later it is 65%. Yes or no? What is 65% people? 65% is 65 bar 100. What is the 65 by 100? It is nothing but 13 bar 20. Okay. So 20 is my income. 13 I am expending. Yes or no? 13 I am expenditure. 13 is the expenditure. So what is my savings? 20 minus 7. 20 minus 13. 7 is my savings. 4 sevens are 28. 5 20s are 100. Yes or no? So 100 is my income. 28. So what is the answer here? 28R. 28R is 9800. The similar one we are doing again. 1R is going to be, what is 1R going to be? 350. So 100R is what I have to find out. So it will be 35,000. Right? In both the methods, I showed you guys the right answer. In both the methods, I showed you guys the right answer. Okay? Yes. Let's move on to the next question. Mr. Jones gave 40% of the money he had to his wife. He also gave 20% of the remaining amount to each of his 3 sons. Half of the amount now left was spent on miscellaneous items and the remaining amount of rupees 12,000 was deposited in the bank. How much money did Mr. Jones have initially? How much money did Mr. Jones have initially? Initially, how much was the money he had? Yes, he gave 40% of the money he had to his wife. Okay, so he had totally at the starting 100 minus 40. So how much is Jones left with? Jones is left with 60% because 40% is gave. He also gives 20% of the remaining amount to each of his 3 sons, right? So 60% में से मुझे 20% निकालना है. Yes, okay. So 6 twos is what? 12%. 12% he gave to how many sons? 3 sons, right? So it is 12% into 3. This becomes 36%. So what is the remaining now, people? What is the remaining now? Right? 60 में से 36, right? 60 minus 36, the remaining is 24%, right? In this 24%, half of the amount, right? Half of 24%. What is half of 24%? Half of 24% is 12%. This 12% was spent on miscellaneous item, and the remaining 12%, the remaining 12% was 12,000, which was deposited in a bag, right? Remaining 12% was 12,000, which was reported in a bag. Okay. So 12R is going to be what? 12R is going to be 12,000. So what is the value of 1R, people? What is going to be the value of 1R? So this is 1,000. Okay. So how much money did Mr. Jones have initially? How much money did Mr. Jones have initially? He had 100%, right? So this is 100R, right? So this becomes 000 at 00, right? 1 lakh is going to be the right answer. Option A, 1 lakh is the right answer. Let's see the next question. A man spends 20% of his salary on food items, 25% of the remaining on house rent, 33% of the remaining on entertainment, and 10% of the remaining on children's education. After this, he pays rupees 900 as income tax and still has rupees 2,340. How much money does he spend on entertainment? How much money does he spend on entertainment? He's spending 20% of his food salary on food items, 25% of the remaining. 25% of the remaining. Yes or no? So he's spending how much, remember? He's spending 20%. So starting it will be 100 minus 20. So he's left up with 80. So in 80%, 25% of 80, right? So this goes to be 8 twos are 16 plus 8 ka 5% hoga 4, right? Yes, 16 plus 4, 20%. Yes, this is 20%. Now 80 minus 20, he's left with 60%, right? In 60%, 33.33%. What is the fraction of this? This is 1 by 3, right? So 60% into 1 by 3, right? So this becomes 20% again. So what is the remaining with this person? What is the remaining with this person? 60 minus 20, 40. What is the remaining with this person? 60 minus 20, 40. Now this 20% is left. Yes, or 40% is left. In this 40%, he spends 10% on children's, right? 40% का 10% कितना होता है बाबा? 40% का 10% कितना होता है? 4% होता है, right? So 40 minus 4 is going to be 36%, right? 40 minus 4 is going to be 36%. What is this 36%? He has 2340 and 900. These both accumulate to 33%. Yes or no? 36%. So 2340 plus 900. This becomes 3240. Yes or no? 36% is going to be 3240. So what is the value of 1% or 1 hour? What is the value of 1 hour? 1 hour is going to be 90. Because 36 nines are 3240, right? 36 nines are, if you guys clearly know, 36 into 9, 9 6 are 54, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 324. Okay? Yes. So 36 into 90, 3240. So what is going to be, right? They are asking how much did he spend on entertainment. What was the amount he spent on entertainment? It was 20%. Okay? So this goes to be 90 into 20. 9 2s are is 18, 2 zeros as it is. 1800 is the amount he spent on entertainment. 1800 is the amount he spent on entertainment. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. A man spends 80% of his income. His income is increased by 20% and he increases his expenditure by 25%. Find the percentage increase in his savings. Find the percentage increase in his savings. Okay, so he's spending 80% of his income. Okay, so let us write this down, right? His income is increased by 40%. Sorry there. His income is increased by 40%. Okay, so let us write this down. Income, right? As you guys know, this is expenditure and savings. Okay, so 100% is the income. Okay, yes, so it increases by 40%. 100 plus 40, 140. Then the expenditure is 100 means 80% he is expending, right? He is spending it, right? 25% it is increasing, right? So this is again 80 into 25, right? So this is 8 2s are 16, 8 5 4, right? 20%. So this is going to be what? 80 plus 20, right? 80 plus 20, 80 plus 20 is 100. So his savings here was how much, remember? His savings here was 20 because income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure will give you the savings. So here also income minus expenditure is savings, 40, right? So you guys can see it has literally doubled. Yes or no? You guys can see it has literally doubled. So 100% is single. So this is double. This is 200%, right? It has doubled. So it is 200%. Option C is the right answer. Okay? Yes. The next question. If the price of an article rose by 25% every odd year and fell by 20% every even year, what would be the percentage change after 180 years? What would be the percentage change after 180 years? Okay, right? So if I take this, the first thing is it is rising. Rising means what will be the CP and SP value? So it is 25%. 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. And you have 20%, which is nothing but 1 by 5. Okay, so this is going to be 4 and 5. Then the next year, so this is happening in the first year. This is happening in the first year. In the second year, it is falling by 20%. So SP is 5 only, it is 4, right? So there is no change in the value. Starting also it was 4, next also it was 4, right? There is no change in the value. You can see 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Initial price and final price, they remain the same, right? There is no change in the value. Initial price and final price, they remain the same. So there is no change in the value. Okay, yes. So this will be the last question of the class. Tickets numbered 1 to 20 are mixed up and then the ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability, right? What is the probability that the ticket drawn has a number which is a multiple of 3 or 5? What is the probability that the ticket drawn has a number of 3, has a number which is a multiple of 3 or 5? Okay, 1 to 20 is there, right? So how many numbers I am having in total? The total conditions are 20. Okay, the total events are 20. Right? They are asking me the multiples of 3. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Right? And they are asking the multiples of 5. 5 will be 5, 10, and 15. So you can see 15 is common here. Right? It counts as 1. So 1 is already done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. right? 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? 1 2 3 4. Did I miss any number here? 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 3 6s are, right? 20 is there, 3 7s it won't be there, right? Yes, how many numbers are there? 6 plus 3, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 or 5. Acha, sorry. So they are asking 3 or 5. So both of them will be valid here, right? 3 or 5, not 3 and 5. If it was 3 and 5, then it would have been 8 by 20. Okay, right? This is asking 3 or 5. So both of them are valid here, right? There are 9 particular combinations and 20 are the total number of events. So this is 9 bar 20. Okay, yes, we will try one more question, people. In a box carrying 1 dozen of oranges, 1/3 have become bad. If 3 oranges are taken out from the box at random, what is the probability that at least 1 orange out of the 3 oranges picked up is good? What is the probability that at least 1 orange out of the 3 oranges picked up is good? Okay, so yes, let me tell. In a box carrying 1 dozen of oranges, right? I have to take 3 oranges, right? So first, my event will be 12C3. Right? What is my this 12C3? तो 12 को 3 बार खोलो. 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so this goes to be, right, 3 2s are 6, right? 6 2s are 12. Okay, so this is going to be 11 into 10 into 2, right? 11 into 10 into 2, which is 220. 11 tens are 110, 220 is the answer. Now what has he told? In a box carrying 1 dozen of oranges, 1/3 have become bad, right? 1 dozen means how much, people? 1 dozen means 12 oranges. In that, 1/3 have become bad. That is, how many oranges have become bad? 12 into 1/3, right? 4 oranges have become bad. In what? 4 oranges have become per dozen. Per dozen, if you count, 4 of the oranges have become bad. What is the probability that at least 1 oranges out of the 3 oranges picked up is good, right? So 4 oranges is done here, yes or no? So what I have to do? I have to subtract these both, right? And then the event will be formed. 220 minus 4 divided by 220. Okay, so this is 216 bar 220. 220 minus 4 divided by 220, 216 bar 220. So this I can write it as what? This I can write it as what? So this is 5 5s are 5 5s are 5 4s are, okay, yes, 54 by 55. 54 by 55. Option B is the right answer. 54 by 55. Option B is the right answer. Okay, so that's it with the session for today, guys. I will meet you guys again. I'll meet you guys again on the 29th of May. That is on the Saturday, right? After 2 days. I'll meet you guys on the 29th of May with the fourth session on numerical ability. With the fourth session on numerical ability at the same time, 11 to 11:30. Right? At the same time, 11 to 11:30. Okay. So have a great day ahead, guys. Okay. Thank you for listening throughout the session. I will meet you guys in the next session. Please do stay safe. Please do stay healthy. Please do stay indoors. Take care. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.